going deeper into the weather. You're going to have to turn southeast here shortly.
Yep, sounds good, sir. We're making that turn right now for those at 341.
Roger. Wind 1681, your departure, fly heading of 360, climb and maintain 17,000. Those are 341, you're 10 miles from Manny, maintain 3,000 until established, cleared ILS runway 9, straight in off of Manny.
Okay, maintain 3,000 until established, clear straight in off of Manny for Dozer 341.
Andy 910 Heavy, contact Boston Center 134.0. Andy 910 Heavy, contact Boston Center 134.0. Cap 4420, turn right, heading at 260.
Right, 260, Cap 4420.
JetBlue 2, New York departure, fly heading of 350, climb and maintain 17,000. Cap 4420, do you think you'll want to pick up the visual approach or you want to go for the ILS to 9?
Still want to go for the ILS 9, and then also on the go, we'd like to pick up our IFR back to Mike Kilo.
Roger.
Yeah, it should be a touch go for Cap 4420 as well.
In the clouds, Chair.
JetBlue 2, proceed direct to Neon.
Go to the clouds, Chair. Hey. That's what happens in the clouds. Say just maintain a level flight attitude.
5761, New York departure, direct to Merritt, climb and maintain 13.
Make sure your seatbelts are snug. Sometimes thermals when you get in the clouds, sometimes they're fun.
13, 13,000. New York departure, climb and maintain 17,000, direct recce. JetBlue 2, contact New York Center 132.6. Cap 4420, turn left, heading 210, gonna vector you in the other downwind.
210, Cap 4420.
Those are 341, contact Store Tower 121.0, good day.
Yeah, we're Store Tower 121.0 for Dozer 342, thanks.
New York approach, good afternoon.
Oh my god, this is the green.
6 Lima, out of Sky Acres, climbing to 4,000.
November 576 X-ray Lima, New York departure, stored altimeters 29er 88, ident.
29er 88, identing.
576 X-ray Lima, your radar contact southwest of Sky Acres, altitude indicates 3,000 feet. Climb and maintain 4,000, direct to the Huguenot VOR.
Climb and maintain 4,000, direct to Huguenot VOR.
Heavy, keep up a good rate of climb, please. Contact Boston Center 134.0.
Alright, so we just grabbed the localizer ISWF. If we wanted to, we could identify it by this. In the G1000, whenever you got the green, already identified it.
Yeah,
and then when you get the
56 Heavy, near departure direct. 6 X-ray Lima, where's the weather?
Where is it?
Say again?
Where do you see the weather that you want to avoid?
I see it just on the other side of the Hudson.
Alright, 20 degrees left approved, unable back direct to Huguenot.
Okay, 20 degrees left approved, and I will advise when able back to Huguenot.
maintain. Capping 4420, turn left heading 250.
Left 250, 442.
At 4420, right turn 260.
Right 260, 4420.
4420, turn right heading 360.
Right 260, 4420.
At 124 heavy, Boston Center 134.0.
To the cloud.
Damn. NST 5321 heavy, New York departure, roger. Carrot 5873, New York departure, direct Meriden, climb and maintain 17,000.
We should get our position, altitude turn, and cleared for the P-tag. Cool. Pretty soon, yeah. Okay, give us like 06 or so.
At 4420, you're 5 miles from Neely, right turn, heading 060, maintain 3000 till established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 9, approach Stewart.
Right turn 060, maintain 3000, established, clear for the ILS 9 is Stewart, Cap 4420.
NST 5321 heavy, direct Gale, New York Center 132.6. At speed 523, Boston Center 134.0.
Too late, that's okay. Oh, maybe by not much. So now what we're gonna do is come down to 21. All I'm doing is basically lining up my diamond on my course deviation indicator and just kind of helping it move back into this 4 from Neely, 21 to Neely.
At 4420, contact tower 121.0, and I'll talk to you on the go.
120.0, see you on the go, Cap 4420. And Stewart Tower, Cap Flight 4420 with you, ILS 9.
Cap Flight 4420, Stewart Tower, runway 9, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 9, Cap 4420. Request a touch and go.
And then what?
Touch and go, then we're going to pick up our IFR back to Meriden, Mike Kilo.
4420 cleared for touch and go, runway 9.
Touch and go 9, Cap 4420.
Alright.
For Delta would like to go ahead and get a frequency change.
For Delta, that's approved, hello.
Approved, have a good day, thank you.
Alright, 22 for 21.
On 40, we'll go ahead and level off here. Or should be about 21, 22. about 90 knots, 2100 or so. Alright, within half, below 110, that's 110.
Radio check. I'm clear.
Looking for our 80, which should be the same power configuration with the flaps 10. We're just going to follow our glide slope down and follow our localizer in. And minimums will be 700. But 80 knot ground speed, so not much on the headwind, mostly cross.
Ground, Polo 90, radio check.
Unclear.
Alright, 2000 for 7. Usually look for about 80 knots and a 500 feet per minute descent. It's probably about 790 or so RPM. As we pull that up, the nose to the left. Alright, 17 for 700,000 to go. Course is slowly correcting the diamonds, right kind of where I want it. And the glide slope, but I'd rather be a little bit high. 15 for 7. Now the money right here. Right. Alright, 1340 for 7. Imagine doing this when it's getting bumped around like this, huh? Alright, 12 for 7. It's good, course good, localizer's good. Head slope is looking good, a little head slope. Alright, 12 for 7. 11 for 7. Head slope looks good, course is correct. 1000 for 7.
Air 46, it's going to be a full route clearance. Stand by.
Alright, 9 for 7, 200 to go.
Alright, here we go, player 46, not too long. Cleared to India Kilo.
Right, 800 for 7.
Stewart 9 departure. Radar vector Stubby. Direct Warwick. Direct Echo November Echo as filed.
800 for 7, 100 to go.
Navy the SID, expect flight level 190, 10 minutes after departure.
Here at minimum audible.
64.
Noise inside, continue.
Minimums.
Nice healthy crosswind.
Yep, that's just right, and your readback's correct. I need you to do me a favor. When you get a chance, talk to your ops and have them add these first 3 fixes to your route so that we can just say as filed every time. You absolutely have to go over Stubby Warwick and Kennybunk.
Yeah. It picked up and jolted all over the place, Jerry.
Yeah.
Thank you kindly. Call for push.
Yeah, 4420's on the go, runway 9.
4420, contact departure.
What departure, 4420?
Damage at 833, climb and maintain 13,000.
Booking a departure, cap flight 4420, just off of Stewart, 800.
Cap flight 4420, New York. You looking to pick up your clearance back to Mike Kilo?
Okay, for 4420.
4420, squawk 2312.
2312, 4420.
At 4420, we're cleared to Mike Kilo via direct to the Pauling VOR, Papa Whiskey Lima, Pauling 111 radial, Briss intersection direct, climb and maintain 5,000.
Cleared to Mike Kilo via the Pauling VOR, Pauling 111 radial, Briss intersection, then direct, climb maintain 5,000 for cap 4420.
4420 for now, fly heading 080, and I'll have Pauling for you shortly.
Roger, for now, 080, cap 4420.
West 4088, contact Boston Center 134.0.
Alright, because the workload's going to come up on us quick, what we're going to do is flight level change.
New York 120.
Up. Alright, 180 flight level change is good on the VY. We'll go ahead and get our flight plan.
Jet 589, let me know when you got the airport in sight, 10 to 11 o'clock and 9 miles.
Full call, we got Jet 589.
United 70 heavy, climb and maintain 15,000. This Jet 981, proceed direct code. Order 2340, climb to 16,000, Boston Center 134.0.
Calling radio, we'll go Brit. I planned this exact plan up before.
Another frequency, you city at the airport in sight.
So we're above a scattered layer right now, so we're having a hard time finding it. 589.
Rogers, let me know if I'll just keep you on this heading, and if you get it, you get it. If not, I'll put you on the ILS.
Roger.
United 40 heavy, New York departure, climb and maintain 15,000, direct to Meriden. United 70 heavy, maintain 17,000, contact Boston Center 134.0.
Buckshot 589 at the airport.
Buckshot 589, cleared visual approach runway 6, contact tower 121.0.
Clear put visual 6 over tower, Buckshot 589.
Buckshot 589, I'm sorry, it's 1240.
1240, 589. All right,
4420 heading 090 and a good rate to climb up to 5, please.
090, good rate up to 5. Cap over 20.
This is Jet 981, contact New York Center 132.6.
Great, roger that. All the beans, here it is.
33, climb and maintain 16,000.
Alright, so we got Pauling 111 radio to Briss and Mike. Rudder in there, Isaiah, help with the plane.
United 40 heavy, climb to 17,000, contact Boston 134.0. At 4420, normal rate of climb's fine now, you can proceed direct Pauling, thank you.
Direct Pauling, cap 4420.
576 X-ray Lima, on that heading, join Victor 162, please.
On that heading, join Victor 162.
Damage at 833, maintain 16,000. At 4420, contact Bradley approach 123.905. Have a good one.
2395, see ya. Cap 4420. Good evening, Bradley approach, cap flight 4420, level 5,000, and also request the VOR 36 from Meriden.
Cap 4420, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 291, advise with the weather information at Meriden, and you can accept that.
901, and we'll get the weather. 4420, thanks.
Full airport. Automated weather observation 2302 Zulu. Wind 140 at 04. Visibility 10. Sky condition overcast 1,400. Temperature 22 Celsius. Dew point 18 Celsius. Altimeter 29991. Remarks. Density altitude
6 Alpha Charlie has 8 is Delta at Westfield.
November 6 Alpha Charlie, roger.
Cap 4420 has the weather at Meriden. Will be VOR 36 circle 18.
Roger. Approach, roger.
This just makes me want to like get in the books and get the instrument, get it. I mean, this is just unbelievable.
There's nothing like flying IFR on a nice, especially on a nice, because the nice,
because this weather would have just taken me out, and
especially just, I mean, one that's like, especially something like that's overcast 1400, like you could bang around laps in the pattern if you want, but if you need to go somewhere, pop through, and if we requested a VFR on top, and just basically VFR, or even cancel IFR and just fly VFR all the way forever, and then pick up another IFR in.
Alright, heading at 20.
Cap 4420, did you want to go to the final approach fix for the procedure turn, or you want the vectors to final?
We'd like to do the procedure turn at Stella for Cap 4420.
Cap 4420, roger, proceed direct to Acela.
Direct to Stella, 4420, thanks.
Oh yeah, brother. Looks cool. We're gonna be skimming right on the top of it. Oh, we want lower.
8.3, take care, exit 665.
Approach Cap 4420. Any chance any lower by any chance?
Cap 4420, standby.
Cool. Alright, so the procedure turn at a brief fast.
Cap 4420, descend and maintain 3000.
I don't know, 3000 should be perfect, Cap 4420.
Alright, so this is the VOR 36 into Meriden. The approach plate is current. This is the correct airport. VOR for the Madison 110-4. Tuned, and we'll identify when we get a little bit closer. Approach course inbound 345, runway landing 31. Sun's elevation 99, air elevation 03. We'll get unload up on 123.050 because we know we're down our last controller. ASOS, we already have the weather, approach, and everything else is not necessary. We're going to cross the Acela in the holding pattern no lower than 2100. Looks like right now it's going to be a outbound of 345. Looks like we're going to be on inbound 345. Looks like we're going to be on a most likely a parallel entry here. So we'll go outbound on the 165 on the 345 inbound radio. Minute outbound, turn back inbound on the 345 radio. Descend down to 18 across the Acela, and then after Acela down to 1060 for jump go, and then down to our minimum. So a circling approach 880. And our approach is a climbing right-hand turn to 2700 index section and hold. Direct entry to the hold. Alright, that's out of the way, and it looks like we have a bunch of feet to go. Autopilot had enough fun. My turn. So you want to fly some, Jerry? You want to fly at all? You want to just take?
No, I'm just coasting, man.
Sounds good. Our timer up for reference. We're gonna be like right. I think we're gonna be like right along the top. We're like right. When I say right along the top, we're probably gonna be like right along the top. Our wheels will probably be in some of it, and then it's not in it. Watch. It's okay. It's still awesome to be able to do that. identified. I'm going to show you something cool when it comes to this VOR approach. So the Meriden VOR approach is actually very true. So if you have dual receivers and you're able to pick Harper and VOR, that can also tell us where your fixes are, a shallow jump go and the missed approach point. So if you pull up, go to airports and then go to then procedures, then approach. Would be the VOR 36. It may not have been downloaded on yours, so it probably may not load.
Oh, there it is, yeah.
Okay, perfect. So you see how you have all these radios coming from Hartford VOR, which is the top right VOR?
Yeah.
So the 234 identifies the sellout, the 241 identifies jump go, and the 251 is our missed approach point. Not many VORs have that many points where they can identify. Most have like the final approach fix, then sometimes your missed approach fix, and that's it. The nice thing is what you do is we have Hartford VORs identified and tuned in the backup. We'll be looking for our course, the bearing indicator. We'll be looking for when it heads towards the 234. We know we're going to be on the 234, and that should be a sellout. So if we're at 1800 and it's at that 234, that's a sellout. Then if we go down, if we're at 1060 and we cross the 241, once it crosses, that'll be jump go. So in order to have, if we can identify jump go, we get lower minimums. You can see where we go 1,000 feet or 200 feet lower than if we couldn't identify jump go. So it's pretty cool to be able to do that as well. It gets you down a little bit lower. But in any case, the GPS is also our backup to what we can pick up. So if you couldn't, if you didn't have dual VORs and you had GPS, you can still use GPS as a VOR to identify any of the fixes. Hey, that rate's skimming in them. Shows you just how fast we're going. One of the only times, besides being really close to water, that you actually see how fast you're going. We are 9 from Acela. I anticipate when we get about 4 miles from Acela, he's going to say, Cap 4420. We're going to get our PTAC as we call it. So
4420, cross Acela at or above 2,500, cleared for the VOR runway 36 approach into Meriden.
Cross Acela at or above 2,500, clear for the VOR 36 into Meriden, Cap 4420.
Alright, so we're going to go to our 2,500, 26. Keep it a little bit safe, just so we have a little bit of way into it. Got some rain. Just slow it a little bit.
Cap 4420, report cancellation of IFR in the air on this frequency or on the ground via the clearance delivery frequency.
Alright, cancel in the air with you or on the ground with the clearance delivery, Cap 4420, thank you.
Alright. For 26, but to the left, more over descent rate. Moving from Acela, now we're in it, Jerry. Alright. Personally, I always maintain a little above the minimum, any kind of MDA, any kind of minimum. That's because it's better to have a little bit of a leeway than it's below, especially if that's because of obstacle clearance. You know, sometimes you could have really little obstacle clearance in some scenarios. On a circling approach, you only need 300 feet obstacle clearance. So, you know, if you bust below a MDA, sometimes you only have a couple hundred feet before you that situation. I would say usually give yourself up to 100 feet. Usually gives yourself way more than enough, just in case you have a little bit of an issue. Turbulence gets you a little bit low or something like that.
Making the pattern, right?
Yeah, all the people in the pattern. Weird that this is right here, you know, we're on basically a high left downwind, right? We're just ripping laps in the pattern. You know, you can't even see where we're going, for God's sake. If you stare out there for a while, right? We're out there, eventually your body will think like random thoughts. Like if you don't look at the instruments to make think, okay, hey, we're level, or hey, we're turning right, or what, body will think we're going up, left, right, down, all over the place. Alright, 4.8 to Acela. Again, at Acela, we're going to go right turn 165, outbound, set our timer, descend down to 21. Then, you know, we'll actually back up altimeter select to 21, outbound for 1 minute, swip it back around, and pick up the inbound course of 3. Just like what we did the last time, is basically real life. Real life, real deal.
Vertical track.
Bradley, good afternoon. Global Austria 33 Lima Echo at 10,000 feet.
This what it wants is, because I have 21 set, it wants if you maintain the vertical track down, you would cross Acela at 21.
And just confirm you have information Delta at Bradley.
It wants us to be above that, so.
2991 and we have information Delta, Global Austria 33 Lima Echo, expecting ILS 24.
Alright, 2.8 to Acela. Get everything else ahead of time, so mixture's coming full wrist on both as necessary. Seatbelts are ready to rock and roll. Oh, we're flying through, we can't even see anything. Flying through everything. This is the real deal right here, Jerry. Imagine flying across country just like this. Just like this, wow. No matter what, you look up, you can't even, I mean, you can kind of see the nose, but it does no good, you know. Alright, 1.9 to us, so I'm going to start slowing us to about 90. That approach is slower, it helps you keep ahead of the airplane. The faster you fly, the more issues you have, you know, if you're going to start going fast and everything like that. You should try to fly 90 knots anywhere outside of the final approach fix. Once you're inside the final approach fix, half a mile to the final approach fix, slow down to 80. There. A mile to Acela.
Global Austria 33 Lima Echo, turn 10 degrees right, vectors 2 final, descend and maintain 5,000.
10 degrees to
Alright, and my parallel was correct, so we're going to hold parallel. To across Acela.
Southwest 2949 is 12.4 for 11,000 at Madison.
65.
Southwest 2949, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter is 291, expect ILS runway 24 approach.
Sounds like a plan. I right. To 24 Southwest 29.
Turn 165.
Southwest 2949, flight heading 020, vector 2 final, descend and maintain 10,000.
Descend and maintain 10,000 on a 020.
Level, we start the timer 1 minute.
2949. Bradley for Southwest 2949. Just want to reconfirm that altitude is 10,000.
Affirmative.
Thank you.
22 for 21, 165. Good. About 2,000 RPM or so. 2,100, 90 knots or so. Power, about 2,000. 5 seconds, looking for 1 minute. We're going to do our 345. Switch our CDR to BOR. Right, 59 seconds, and here we go, we're on. We're going to send out to 18. And
approach, Cap Flight 420, switch over to CTF.
4420, radar service terminated, frequency change is approved.
Frequency change approved, Cap Flight 420, thank you.
Bureau Bravo, turning left base, 28, Meriden traffic. Approach just north of the traffic, 700.
Acela is...
Meriden traffic, 36116, upwind 18.
And Meriden traffic, Cap Flight 4420, approximately 5 miles to the south there for 1,900. Inbound on the VOR for 36, circling for 18, Meriden. We're coming up on our 1800. What we're going to do is re-intercept our course.
Meriden traffic, Warrior Zero, Bravo, turning final.
Ominous down here, huh?
Meriden traffic, just go 8 miles to the east inbound, Meriden.
Alright, we're grabbing our VOR, so we'll come in. We're holding our 1800, our 90 knots, waiting for this to kind of come in. And then we're going to wait for the 235, and that will be our next for Acela. We're pointing it's right about there, right? So we're looking to see how we're right on it. That's our Acela. And Meriden traffic, Cap Flight 4420, approximately 4.5 miles to the south there for 1800 over Acela on the VOR for 36, circling 18, Meriden. Alright, we're centered, coming in. Alright, jump go. Goes our 1060. Meriden traffic, Cap Flight 4420, approximately 3 miles to the south there for 1,400, descending on the VOR for 36, circling 18, Meriden.
Meriden traffic, Warrior Bravo, upwind 18, 600 feet, will extend for Cap, looking for you.
Just popped out, looking for you as well. And Bradley approach, Cap Flight 4420, to cancel IFR.
Cap 4420, IFR cancellation received, squawk VFR, and have a good day.
Squawk VFR, thank you for your help, Cap 4420.
Sketching site will be number 3 behind Cap.
Alright, Roger, just enter a left downwind for 18 of the regions.
There was also supercarbon bound over a quarry from the Durham side.
And Meriden traffic, Supercub is 5 miles to the east over the quarry, and we'll be inbound.
With a full circle.
Meriden. Meriden traffic 36116, turning left base 18.
Minimums.
Meriden traffic, Warrior Bravo 11, crosswind 18 behind Cap. I believe we have the carbon site.
I got you as Legends. Meriden traffic, Cap Flight 4420, and turn left downwind for 18, Meriden. We have on the Hobbs as well.
And Warriors, your Bravo left downwind 20.
Can't hear you, sorry.
1782?
What's the last three?
829.
829. Cool, so we still have a little bit of time. I redeemed myself. Already did the before landing check. 10. Let's go on 10. Meriden traffic, Cap Flight 4420, turning left base for 18, Meriden. It's 2.
Meriden traffic 36116, upwind 18.
Meriden traffic, Cap Flight 4420, turning base final 18, Meriden, touch go left. Alright, let's see if we got the numbers this time. Cross, roger.
Marin traffic, what is it? Bravo, turning left base 18, Marin traffic. Bravo, turning final 18, Meriden traffic. Meriden traffic, Super Cub, entering left downwind 18, and I'll be number 2 for 18.
Meriden traffic, couple light, 4420 on the go, 18 left closed traffic. A little early.
Meriden traffic, 36116.
Meriden traffic, cap light, 4120, AB 18 for a short approach, Meriden. Alright, VG, mixture, good, good. Trying to restart, nothing. Airport. Clearing and opening the doors. Open your door, Jerry. That's good. Alright.
Meriden traffic 36116, upwind 18.
Meriden traffic, cap light, 4420, turning base to final, 18 Meriden, full stop. Found my phone. Your phone found you. Right? I'll let this slip turn.
Meriden traffic, where is 08 Bravo, turning left base 18, Meriden traffic.
Meriden traffic 36116, turning left crosswind 18.
Give it to me. I have to find my phone and tell them wheels.
Meriden traffic, where is 08 Bravo, turning final 18, Meriden traffic.